Okay, so this is my new bike check. I got a few new parts I want to show you. I'll start from the front and work my way back. I have stock Verde bars. They're like 27 wide, 8.25 rise. Animal grips, animal plastic bar ends. A Verde stem. Fit shiv forks, which have held up really nice. They're tapered at the end, so they're like super light and they're really strong. I have a We the People Feelin' tire. Just a stock aluminum peg. It came with the bike. I'm gonna get like animal pegs soon, hopefully. And then I just got this new wheel, the Odyssey Hazard Light wheel. So it's got the Hazard Light rim in black and the Verde 2 hub. I don't know if you can read that. Verde 2. And Odyssey spokes. It's really nice. Got a Verde Vex frame. Oh, and a Verde headset. And then I got a plastic pivotal seat with a stolen Thermalite slam seat post. It's like 75 millimeters, I think, and a integrated seat clamp. Verde chain wheel, Verde cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Those are the best. I love those. Shadow bottom bracket in blue. You can kind of see it. Yeah, it's really nice. Just a KMC black chain. And then the back wheel is a Odyssey Hazard Light wheel as well. I got the limited edition ocean blue color. And then the local bike shop I went to had a matching hub, which is really sweet. It's the Odyssey V3 hub. Works really well. Super strong. So the Hazard Light wheel, Odyssey spokes, V3 hub. And it's got like the hollow bolts and everything. So it's super light. And then the stock peg in the back. And the back tire is also a We the People Feelin'.